How to assign a photo to a contact on the iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on a contact that you want to add or set a picture. Then tap on the edit button. Next, tap on add photo. From here, tap on photos at the top. And you can use the camera to take a picture, or you can choose one from the photo library. Now in here, tap on O, and from here, tap on a picture that you want to use. Here you can tap on the crop button so that you can zoom in or zoom out like that. So you can zoom in, you can move the pictures around so that it sits within that circle right there. And tap on the tick icon at the top, or the accept button. Then tap on down here, you can choose a different color style. So we've got bright, warmer, black and white, and so on. So choose a color that you would like to use. And then tap on choose. Then tap on accept. And then tap on done at the bottom. And that's it. So tap on the accept button here at the top as well. And finally, you have a contact, pictures assigned to a contact with the picture of that contact used as a contact background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.